Hey, it's Jeff from Australian Home Brewing here in Oakley South, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Today we are brewing with the Guten for the first time, so the Guten Microbrewery system, sort of an all-in-one robot sort of brewing system. At the moment we're just brewing a Czech pilsner, so it's a fairly basic recipe. 5 kilos of pilsner malt, 350 grams of carrot pils just for a bit of body and head retention. We've just gone through a step mash with it. So
can you talk us through the step mash, Jeff?
Yeah.
What's involved in that?
So we just stowed in the recipe at 55 degrees for a protein rest for about 10 minutes, and then we've gone up to 62 degrees for half an hour, and from there we're going up to 70 degrees for 45 minutes. So it's a step mash, Hocker's mash, sort of like a traditional German European mash program. But I just wanted to do a step mash just to show what the Guten was capable of doing with the programmable mash steps. So at the moment we're at 75.7 degrees, we're on the mash out step.
Let's have a quick look at the digital display.
It's 75.6 degrees, we've got about 6 minutes left and it's running at 2000 watts. It's really good because you can set the wattage of each of the steps that you do, so you don't have to have it running at full the whole time and worry about it spiking in temperature between steps. And aside from that, you've got your pump running, so pump's running very quietly.
Let's go and have a listen to the pump. Very
So I'll
quiet.
just turn that off just to see what it's like when it's off, and you can barely just hear the element kind of kicking in.
Alright, so turn that back on, and I want to have a look at the colour of the wort that we've produced so far.
Take off the lid. So we've kind of got a nice pale golden.
Oh, fogged up. Wait a sec. Oh, you can see that.
Nice pale golden. We're hoping to pick up.
Very, very clear.
Yeah.
What's the reason for that?
With this system, because you've got the pump at the bottom, you've got the wort drawing up through the sidearm and then coming back onto